y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I'm doing good, but how y'all doing? So today I have new leggings, new sportswear to try on for you guys so you can see how it looks on me, on my size, on my height, on my slim thickness before you purchase it. And just know that all the links will be in the description below, so enjoy this fashion show.
Everything we had, ready for whatever's flying up ahead. We won't stop moving, feels too good for that. So good, feeling our love taking over. Our hearts getting closer and closer. I can't get enough of times of getting lost with you. Getting lost with you. I promise to be there in every single way. We're doing this together, every step we take. Closer to each other, so much to discover. Getting lost with you. Getting lost with you.
Thank you all so much for watching my little fashion show. I hope you all enjoyed it. So these pieces are really comfortable. I will leave all the links in the description below. Tell me which one is your favorite. And I will see you all soon. I love you, Team T, baby.